Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Ahmad Wali. I'm a student from the Lahore University of Management Sciences, Lahore. So let me hit you with some real talk. The average human lifespan in Pakistan, at least, is about 65 years. Internationally, it's 72 years. Yeah, I know, kind of ridiculous when you think about it. But what's even more ridiculous is how we spend 39 of these years, yes, 39, doing repetitive, mind-numbing tasks that make us wish we had robots to do the dishes, laundry, and maybe even our college assignments, at least for me. Now, wouldn't it be something? Like McKinsey, those folks estimate we could unlock a whooping $17.7 trillion just by automating the repeat work in some few key sectors. And that's where our good AI friend comes in. So the problem is AI isn't there yet, right? The catch is AI has been around since 1970s. It's mostly been a name for pattern recognition since then. The real boom only happened when generative AI like ChatGPT and Claude showed up, because finally AI has got some common sense. But even with all that sense, we are still doing things the hard way. So let me give you an example. Imagine you would need to train and deploy an AI model to find your car in a parking lot or some vision application in a corporate setting. So for me, being an engineer, there's like planning a trip to Mars because pulling in a model, it's just AI has become so much of a maze that drawing a box around a Honda Civic is ridiculously crazy. So here's come our solution. So we are to fix this. We have built Wetual. Wetual is a framework that helps developers and teams like you easily build and scale AI solutions across industries. Here's the fun part. Instead of spending your time and money training foundation models from scratch, which will let you connect to generative models, test it, secure generative models like GPT, vision models, through something which we have cleverly named RobotScript. Now, I know RobotScript sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's pretty simple. It's a language we have created that externally connects to these big brainy models and uses intelligent algorithms to do the hard work internally. So you don't have to juggle with those complexities of the AI world. You just have to write some simple code and voila. Whenever the algorithm needs a dose of intelligence, RobotScript sends a template message to the model, and boom, you have got yourself a smart, automated solution that's ready to go. So why does it matter? What does it mean for you? It means that you can deploy AI solutions without needing at least a PhD in machine learning or spending a fortune on custom models. You could rapidly prototype in your corporate settings where you could not just save time, but potentially billions of dollars just by cutting out the unnecessary complexities. So Wetual is turning AI from a costly experiment into something of everyday practicality. So in crux, what Wetual is doing, Wetual is a framework that helps developers easily build and scale AI solutions across industries. We are reducing the need for talent, the need for data, the need for organizational barriers for coming into this AI world. And how we are doing it, some technical part, we are using some well-established, secure external LLMs like OpenAI's GPTs that have been for 8 years now, and turning them into your very own AI models whenever and however you need it. And here's the key: you can rapidly prototype, you can save tons in capitals, you can make your next move. And so the final call to action would be, let's stop making AI complicated, and let's make it start working for us. I would now be presenting over to the developers and corporates in the Silicon Valley with this concept, inshallah, early next year. And I would please request your support in making this trip possible. It can change many lives, yours too. And who knows, maybe we'll get those robots to do our laundry after all. Thank you, everyone.